In previous class, I explained about triangle concept. What is triangle? Before that, I explained polygon. Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made up of 3 or more line segments. After that, I explained it has 3 vertices, 3 sides, and 3 angles. Next, after that, I explain angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now today we are going to solve so many questions based on angle sum property of triangle. Example 1. Example 1. Find the value of x find the value of x in the given figure. Find the value of x in the given figure. Find the value of x in the given figure. What is the name of this figure? Triangle. Now in this figure, you are observing angle A is equal to, what is angle A here? Angle A is 70 degree. A front angle A 70 degree. Angle B is equal to 40 degree. Angle C is equal to x, means I want to find out. Now we know angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Write the comments. Comments are very important. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. In the place of angle A, I want to substitute 70 degree. In the place of B, I want to substitute 40 degree. Angle C is x is equal to 180 degree. Now 70 and 40 both are like term. 7 plus 4, 11, 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now 180 is the constant, 110 is the constant. 110 is saying I don't want to be this side. Why? Because my friend is that side. I want to go that side. Plus quantity becomes minus. Plus 110 becomes minus 110. X is equal to 180 degree minus 110. What is answer? 70 degree. How to check our answer is right or wrong? Sum of this all three the angle will become 180 degree. Answer check. First angle 70 degree, 40 degree, and third angle we got it 70 degree. What is answer? 180 degrees coming? Yes, our answer is right. Note down everyone. Simple method. If any triangle they have given, two angle they have given, third angle I want to find out 180 minus sum of these two angle. We can get third angle. Note down everyone. Example 2. Find the value of x in the given figure. Find the value of x. Find the value of x in the given figure. Find the value of x in the given figure. No problem. Whatever angle they have given, I want to add is equal to 180 degree. Here, what is angle A? What is angle A here? X. Angle A is equal to x. Angle B also x. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. Again, I know angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is called angle sum property of triangle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Y angle sum property of triangle. Now angle A is x, angle B also x plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. 1x, 1x, both are like term. X plus x, 2x. 2x plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Again 60 degree is saying, I don't want to be this side. I want to go right side. Why? My friend is there right side. Plus quantity becomes minus 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. 2x is equal to 120 degree. Now here so many students are doing mistake. 2x means 2 into x, not 2 plus x. 2x means 2 into x. Multiplication quantity becomes division. X is equal to 120 degree divided by 2 is equal to 60 degree. Hence, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. Each and every angle is 60 degree. In a given triangle, if each angle is 60 degree, what is the name of that angle? Equilateral triangle. Now down everyone. Each and every angle is 60 degree. Now down everyone clearly. Now down. Of x. Example 3. Find the value of x. Find the value of x in the given figure. Draw this figure everyone. Draw this figure everyone very clearly. Angle A is 40 degree, angle B is X, and angle POQ is 60 degree. Angle POQ or angle QOP is 60 degree. We want to find out angle X. Anyone have idea how to solve this question? Very good, beta. Yes, concentrate everyone here. In this figure, we are observing students. One things you are missing, each and every student. This is not angle O. This is angle AOB or BOA. If this angle is 60 degree, I can say angle BOA or AOB 60 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angle. That is not angle O. That is BOA or AOB. Got it? Note down. Solution. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now we know two angle. Third angle I want to find out. By using angle sum property, we can get third angle. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property of triangle. Angle A is 40 degree. In the place of angle, I substituted 40 degree. Angle B is X and angle AOB is 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Again 40 and 60 both are like term. 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Again 100 is this. 100 is saying I don't want to be this side. I want to go that side. Why my friend is right side. Plus quantity becomes minus. X is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. The value of X has come 80 degree. I hope you got it. If they have given two angle in the triangle, we want to find out third angle. With the help of angle sum property of triangle, we can get third angle. Whatever angle they have given in the triangle, that angle you can add, and whatever answer is coming, 180 degree minus answer, we can get the third angle. Got it? Yes. Now keep heading. Exterior angle property, very famous property. Keep heading. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Keep heading exterior angle property. Now concentrate everyone. All students stop writing. Concentrate here. What is exterior angle property? Concentrate everyone. I request all students stop writing. Concentrate. Stop writing everyone. Concentrate here. Listen carefully, students. What is exterior angle property? Exterior means inside or outside? Outside. Suppose this outside angle I am assuming angle 1, and inside I am assuming angle 2 and 3. Listen carefully. What is exterior angle property? Outside angle is equal to sum of any two inside angle. Outside angle is equal to sum of any inside two angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Outside angle is 1. 1 is equal to sum of two inside angle. Angle 2 plus 3 is equal to angle 1. This is only exterior angle property. Got it? If they have given like one question, if this angle is 120 degree, sorry, if this angle is x, this angle is 30 degree, and this angle is 40 degree, then what is x? 30 plus 40 is equal to x. 70 degree is equal to x. Means what is the actual meaning of exterior angle? The sum of interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Outside angle is equal to sum of two inside angle. Note down concept. The sum of the interior opposite angle, the sum of interior opposite angle the sum of interior opposite angle is equal to the exterior angle. Draw this figure, everyone. Yes. What is the name of outside angle? ACD or DCA, right? There are two ways are there, I told. Angle ACD, capital letter, is equal to inside angle. Angle ABC, middle angle, plus angle CAB. Angle C means outside angle, B means inside, A means inside. In this one concept you are observing, students, if I want to divide this angle, then this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. And total angle is what? We can assume angle 3. I can write here angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Because complete angle is 3. 3 is dividing into two parts. Bisector of angle 3. Bisector of angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. That also note down. Example first. Example first. Find the value of x find the value of x in the following figure. In the following figures. एक figure, what is first answer? Tell me, student. What is first answer? 120 minus 80, 40 degree. Second question, what is answer? 110. 110. Outside angle is equal to sum of inside angle. First answer, how to solve? X plus 80 degree is equal to 120 degree. Y, exterior angle property. Exterior angle. Now plus 80 want to transpose right side. X is equal to 120 degree minus 80 degree. Answer is 40 degree. And second question, outside angle. X is equal to sum of inside angle. 40 plus 70. Why we are writing? Exterior angle property. X is equal to 110. Now you are observing, students, what is the importance of the property, exterior angle property, very important. Are you getting my point, student? Right.